morning, adventure seekers. Talk about old school cool. Honda 160. What year is this? 67. Man, well, you shined it up and restored it nicely. That thing's a cruiser. All right, adventure seekers, the Swiss adventure machine heading out. Hook Pinzgauer. You need to adventurize. This is the beast you need to get. This thing will take you anywhere in Swiss Army knife style. All right, rev it up. Show us what it's got. All 4 cylinders. All right, sounding good. All right, this is one cool looking old VW. Paint job is dialed in. Rims and tires look good. Philippine license plate even. Ship it over from the Philippines. Whatever it takes to have a cool cruising VW. Then Speedster. Porsche Speedster action. 1600 Super. I like it. One cool looking Chevy Woody. Beautiful. Santa Barbara Woody Club. Old pinstripe in action on this one. That's a sweet looking machine as well. Old school Ford. Ford versus Chevy. Take your pick. Ford. No, man, you got the Santa Barbara Woody here. I don't know. It's a hard choice. Good looking Chevy truck here too. Dial this one in. It's beautiful. Original interior. Shined up. Nice. We got GTO. Ooh. Looking good. The donut getter. All right. Looking good. Malibu Chevy. Adventure seekers. We have a visitor. Napomo Cruise Night. Looking good. Love the sound of that bad boy. Dude. That is one mean machine. It set off earthquakes with that thing. All right, love the sound of this one. Rumbling on in. If you ever need 1,000 horsepower, let me know. Oh, no. So much for that rat. Sounding good. South Dakota Chevy pickup. Lowered to the ground. I like that. Sweet patina and one mean engine. That Ollie EFI. I like it. Of course, got the slingshot. You can hear these car shows in style. If you have never had one, you can get you one. Fun little machine. Again, 1932. Almost 100 years old. Still a beauty. V8. Nice looking cruising machine. Like that, baby. The GT convertible sport. Like that. One radical Mopar. 1969. 440 cubic inch. 500 horsepower. All right. Look at this. Beautiful Chevy truck. Check out the engine bay of this baby. Nice. Clean, you could eat off of it. I like it. Interior is totally dialed in. The bed of the truck. Oh, beautiful. Man, that is one sweet looking truck. Dude. Don't you haul no rock in this thing. A little bit of Ford action from yesterday's show. Hope you were able to make it. All Ford car show. Dialed in. Nice. 1939. Vent Axle Special. Right, adventure seeking rat rodders. The DeSoto body on the truck frame. Mad Max. Mad Max will get you where you need to go. And if someone gets in your way, you know what to do. Run them over. I like it. Cool. Like a street racing truck. Sounding good. I like it. Right, another Chevy here. Raspberry creamsicle. Beautiful color on that truck. Done it up nicely. Chevy Custom 20. Right, we got the cars out here today. Orcutt Car Show. Owner Clark and Bradley. Bring what you got. Motorcycle, car, truck, we don't care. Show us what you got. Free to enter. You might win something. Looks like another one from the Ford show. V8. Touch of Style. Courier. Sweet looking ride. No use painting it because it looks cool. The patina is nice. Touch of Style. 1952. Nice. Chevy Impala SS. Looking good, my friend. A little close up of this rumble in the jungle. I think this thing could start earthquakes. It shakes the ground so good. I love the sound of it when he fires it up, though. It just sounds mean. You can give yourself a little massage just firing it up. Right, here's an adventure mobile right here. It's the way to do it. Somebody gets in your way, you know what to do. Run them over. Use them for traction. Looks like he's ready for Pismo too. Haul a few people out. USMC. Thank you for your service, Marine Corps. That's right. If you like your freedom, thank a Marine. Another Ford. Mustang Mach 1. Red and black. Love that color combo. 351. Sweet looking ride. Chevy Impala convertible. Old school cool. Gotta like that. Alright. 57 Chevy truck. Love the paint job on this thing. It's a beauty. Morning, how you doing? Love those flames. Keeps this thing spotless too. Beauty. Alright, Adventure Seeker 54 truck. Runs like a dream. GMC Hydromatic 100. Let's get the information for you. It's for sale. There's heard at $6,500. Hopefully you can see this phone number. There you go. Give him a call. This could be yours. Cruise on down the road with this baby. Oh, check out this engine. Dialed in. Love that air cleaner carburetor action. Pretty cool. Alright, let's check out the rear end of this baby. Quite the sound system. It's ready for camping, drive-in theaters, if you can find a drive-in theater these days. Pretty sweet. Ford Mustang Mach 1 rolling in. Looking good. Like that baby. Oh, let's see what else. We got a Fiat over here. Sneaking in on me. Didn't see it. Fun little convertible. Looks like he's a veteran. Thank you for your service, sir, if you are a veteran. Or ma'am, whichever may own this baby. El Camino with 327. It's actually ready to run. Patina action. Another beautiful red one here. Like that. Cars are out. Gran Torino. Oh, Gran Torino looks like it's for sale too. Adventure Seekers, if you need a ride, come on out. Orcutt. Looks like we've got some cars for sale. 72 Gran Torino, 10 grand. 51 Cleveland. Give a call. See the number there? Could be yours. blue, purplish El Camino. Fun little ride. And the Porsche, rare breed Porsche. Speed in your life. Car's out today. BMW M3. I like it. Nice. See what else we got over here? Pretty little Japanese street racer. Is this a Hyundai even, huh? Just dialed it in though. Those rims and tires. Hyundai N1. Don't see too many of those around. Gray 68 Camaro. Beauty of a ride. Restored this from the ground up. It was a carcass when we started. Dial it in. All right, adventure seekers, bring your stuff down. Check it out. You might win something. Free dinner. Show us what you got. You might win a prize. Ida's business coupe. Like that, baby. 1956 Chevy Bel Air. Oh, another one coming in too. Better get out of the way before we get run over. All right, retired U.S. Air Force. Thank you for your service, sir. Back that cool looking Bel Air in. Looking nice. 1951 Ford Crestliner. Restored immaculately. Nice looking ride. Huh. All right, Chevy Chevelle. I don't think I've seen this one here before. Cruise on in with this baby. Needs a little painting love, but still pretty cool. All right, dual sport Moto Men coming in. On to action. 1933 Ford. Ooh, look at that. 90 years old. Sweet machine. Still cruising it. That is one pretty engine. Look at that thing. It needs a shoehorn to get it in there, but once it's in, it does the job. Yeah. Dude, like that. Little orange Z28. Like that. Sweet looking ride. See what else you got rolling in over here. Another Ford. Looking good. I like it. Sweet looking machine. 57 Chevy Bel Air. Love the green color. It's one sweet looking ride. Man, cruise in style with this one. I love that color. You don't see it too much. It's beautiful. Yeah, nice. Really? Oh man, well you're not going to get rid of it now because you'll regret it.
My brother gave it to me when he left for Vietnam.
Oh man, that's quite the story.
He made it back when he bought a 68 Camaro when
Uh-huh.
he did, and this was one of the 68 Camaro colors.
Uh-huh. Well, it's a beautiful car. It's going to make you proud. All right, take care. Another good looking Chevy Bel Air 56 rolling in. Sounds sweet too. Black Widow exhaust. Nice looking color combo too. Sweet ride. It's one sweet ride. Sounds good too. Nice. Yeah. Wow. All right, motorcycle men are out. Ready for a little Sunday cruise in action. Suzuki versus the Yamaha. Who will prevail? Like fun. 1949 Deluxe. Love the stance, love the color. You can shine up. Chevy Deluxe. They named it appropriately. It's Deluxe. All right. Little old school dune buggy. Oh, if you can get out of the thing. Come on, old man, get out of that beast. Ah. Got your old Jimmy Buffett shirt on. Jimmy Buffett hat, too. For old Jimmy, in remembrance. Oh, little Honda Grom action. Need to get me one of these bad little boys. I can actually touch the ground on it. See, it's my kind of machine. All the other motorcycles I like. Adventure Seekers. I don't know if you remember Lions Drag Strip in Long Beach. Hauling A. What a sweet looking ride. Love that engine. Sticking out front like a jewel. It's in action up there. Skeleton Man hood ornament. Let's check out the interior. Looking sweet. Done up right. Proud to own this one. All right, check out this Le Mans 326. Nice stance. Nice color. Keeping it clean too. Pontiac cruising machine. Interior's original and looking good. Sweet. All right, Adventure Seekers. The inner guts. Looking good. Cruise down the road in this baby. Then we got the cool dune buggy. The Toad shows up. Love the stance of the Toad. Lean and mean. It's like a wheelie machine with that weight distribution. Looks like fun. I need one. Rolling in.